Hello, in this video I'll show you how to fix a green tint on Pixel 10 Pro. So there may be several possible causes of that. Let's try going through the first one, which is going to be in settings. If you go to the settings and go to accessibility, which is at the bottom, then you'll find color and motion. Now color correction, and now you can see everything appears greenish. If I disable it, everything looks fine now because I had it enabled. So if you had it enabled, then it's gonna have this green tint. You can even see, like, if I put the intensity all the way up, then it's like getting really green in those red areas. That's because it's a color correction for color blindness, and when you disable it, it should go back to normal. But there's a chance that it's not the cause of the problem. So if that didn't fix it, if you have color correction disabled but you still have the green tint, then what you should do is go to the display settings. In the settings app, in the main page, go to display and touch, and now go to it's going to be in the adaptive tone. You can disable it to make sure that it doesn't interrupt and it doesn't make everything look green for whatever reason. You can also go to colors and make sure it's set to natural. You can try setting it to natural or adaptive and see if it helps. And then there's gonna be it's gonna be in the very top here. Make sure that the brightness level that you have set is set to something high enough, because if it's dark, then it may look a little greener for some reason on some displays. Now, if that didn't help, then try restarting the phone. Sometimes a simple restart will help. So to do it, simply press on power and volume up at the same time, then tap on restart and wait a moment. And now, as you can see, it is restarted. I can enter my PIN and go further. And now see if it helped. If it did not, then you can go to settings and make sure that your system is updated to the newest version available. So in the settings, go to I never really remember it. I think in system. Yeah, in system there's going to be software updates, and now it says your device is up to date. I can click on system update. If there was an update available, I should install it so it works with all, like, it may fix some bugs that are, just there. And now if that didn't help, then I think the last thing you can do is go to reset options, and here there's unfortunately no option to reset all settings, which is a little weird. I would expect that. There is an option to erase all data, but remember, it will erase all the data. So if you are planning on doing that, it will just fix some settings maybe and stuff like that. But yeah, if you're planning on doing that, I would highly recommend first backing up your phone. So go to backup and click on backup now. Then confirm your screen lock, and you can watch a video on our channel on backing up and then recovering the backup, because recovering the backup is also quite a complex process. You just need to do you just need to know what to do and when in order for it to work. Otherwise it won't work. So you can watch a video on restoring backup from Google. And but later on, if you decide to, you can go to reset options and erase all data. But as I said, remember, it will indeed erase all the data. So if something's not backed up, it will be lost. So make sure that you have all your messages safe and all your photos safe, all your apps, all your data are somewhere safe. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.